Hello guys, welcome back to Blue Shield YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered if the wireless signals floating around us could be gateways into private conversations? Imagine walking into a cafe and, in just a few moments, discovering how Bluetooth devices can be penetrated ethically and responsibly to expose security flaws that most people rarely think about. Today, we will unlock the mysterious realm of Bluetooth hacking as we demonstrate how BlueSpy on Kali Linux can capture audio from nearby devices. This will turn invisible threats into powerful lessons. Fasten your seatbelts, because this is where cybersecurity gets real and curiosity may just lead to crucial discoveries. BlueSpy is a Python-based PUC script designed to record Bluetooth audio devices. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for BlueSpy GitHub. Click on the very first link. I am also sharing the link in the description. Now copy the code. Next, open the terminal and move to the directory where you want to download the file. Type the command git clone, paste the copied code, and press enter. BlueSpy is now cloned to our Kali Linux system. Navigate to the BlueSpy folder by typing the command cd BlueSpy. Now, let's check the available options for Bluetooth device audio recording by using the help option. Here you can see all the available features. Next, let's find the target MAC address. Open a new terminal. And type the command Bluetooth CTL. Inside, type scan on. The scan will start, and you will see all nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your target and copy its MAC address. Now go back to the first terminal and type the command Python 3 bluespy.py-a. Paste the MAC address -f, then give the name of the output file. Then hit enter. Now, it connects to the target device and checks whether the device is vulnerable or not. As you can see, the device is vulnerable. But there is an error. Let's fix this. Open the system file in a text editor by typing sudo nanosystem.py. Comment out the condition here. Then press Ctrl+O, hit Enter, and Ctrl+X to exit. Let's try again. Now another error appears, no such file, passETL. Let's fix this too. Open a new terminal and type sudo apt install pactal. Here, press Y and the tool will be downloaded and installed. Check the installation by typing pactal version. Once confirmed, let's run BlueSpy again. Now you can see, the device is connected, and recording has started. All errors are fixed. To stop recording, press Ctrl+X. It will ask if you want to play the audio right away. Or you can find the saved file in the BlueSpy folder and listen from there. You've just seen how curiosity, when used ethically, becomes the hacker's strongest asset. So always be safe. Keep your Bluetooth turned off when not in use. And set your devices to non-discoverable mode to minimize exposure to unauthorized access attempts. Use secure pairing methods with strong pins or passkeys. And only connect to trusted devices after verifying their legitimacy. This will protect you from man-in-the-middle and impersonation attacks. Stay sharp, stay ethical, and keep pushing the boundaries of cybersecurity. Subscribe to Blue Shield for more visually stunning, real-world hacking guides. Together, let's make the digital world safer. Please like the video and leave a comment. Thank you.